God! What the fuck kind of drugs did that guy give me? Who are you?
Explorers from the further regions of experience. Demons to some, angels to others.
Can you explain to me the kind of drugs that guy gave me?
Enough with your nonsense. You must come with us.
Go with you where?
To a place filled with pleasure and pain.
Well, that honestly sounds like a better place than what the hell's happening right now, because I have no idea what's going on right now. Okay. Can I always tell my dad first where I'm going?
No, you must come with us now.